All right, here we are to slaw, cabbage salad or slaw. Again, there are a million ways to do slaw, and everybody knows that. Just going to show you how I do it. It's also very simple. Along with the nutrition center and being careful, I don't want to add a whole lot of unhealthy ingredients to the slaw, so we just try to keep it simple. What I did first was to cut up my cabbage. I have a food processor, but I don't like to shred it. I like to chop it so that they're more substantial pieces, so that's what I have here. And so I just take some mayonnaise. I'm not particular. I know some people like Hellmann's in particular. I don't really care. I can't much tell the difference. But if you can, then you use whatever kind it is that you like. So I've got just, a little bit of mayonnaise in there. Not too much. Maybe that's half of a cup. I don't like mustard slaw, but I do like a little bit of twang. So I'm going to just squeeze. I'm going to say that's a half of a teaspoon in there. And I don't like it for it to be very thick. I like for it to, I don't like to have too much mayonnaise in it because it's just too thick. So I'll take a little milk and I'll just drizzle some in there. Maybe that's a couple tablespoons. Take a whisk and I'll just stir that up till it makes kind of a dressing. I know when I was growing up, my mom, you could buy coleslaw dressing, and my mom would buy that coleslaw dressing at the store, and it's pretty good, I think Kraft makes that product. So then I take salt and pepper and put that into my dressing for my slaw. And I tell you what, girls, I'm gonna need a plastic spatula. Do y'all see one around here anywhere? Oh, there's one underneath there, Virginia. Look underneath. Okay, and so I'll get that out of here and we'll just stir up our slaw. We want to get everything out of our pan. See how that's thinner than what it would be if it's just straight up mayonnaise. Another thing you need to realize with slaw is that as it sits, it gets more watery. So when you first stir it up, you don't want it to be as creamy as what you expect it to be, because the longer it sits, the creamier it's going to get. And you don't want a bunch of mayonnaise hanging around your plate. So that's it. Put this in the refrigerator, cover it up, let it sit for a little bit, and you'll have some great slaw.